What's going on, guys?
It's currently 7 a.m. and I'm not a morning person at all. I had a hard time falling asleep last night, so I'm exhausted. But I'm going up to Pittsburgh to visit my girlfriend at college. Yeah, that's pretty much it. First up we're going to go to is Dunkin' because, you know, we got to get that fill up so we can actually wake up a little bit. Quick tip, if you want Dunkin', don't go to the drive-thru in the morning. There's obviously gonna be a million people through and no one ever goes inside for it. We got the Dunkin', time to go get the gas, and then we can be on our way. Now that we got the gas, now we can be on our way.
So this Prius just like flew past me, right? And then like I saw him passing, and I don't know if you see his license, but it says 911.
Found the cops, boys.
And I wish you guys could see.
There was like a Dodge Dart with a carbon fiber like scooped hood, and I just want to say shout out to the Dart fam because I used to be a part of you until I joined Team Subaru. But I still have respect for the once in a while modified Dart that I see. You know, I'm just driving on the highways, and this cop like sees me and he slows down and gets off an exit that just like goes into an overpass, just goes right back down. And the look he just gave me just stared me down, just scared the shit out of me. Like I thought I was about to get pulled over there for some stupid shit. I'm definitely a target for cops and being loud and being all tinted and stuff. But I love my car like this. But yeah, I really thought I was about to get pulled over there for a minute.
This is honestly such like a nice looking drive when it's all like snowy like this. It's not too much snow, but I think everything just looks super like
it looks pretty, man.
Now I know a lot of people are probably gonna see this title and be like,
oh, your car's not super duper modified. Why are you saying road tripping in your modified car?
well, last time I did this drive, all I had done to the car was tint and exhaust, and now this is the farthest I've ever driven in a lowered car, and this is also the farthest I've driven with my new intake in. So I'm gonna say I'm a lot more modified than I was the last time I made this trip, so that's where the title comes from. And then I don't want people to complain about, oh, it's only a 5-hour drive, that's not even a road trip. It's a 4 or 5 hour drive, that's a pretty long drive, kind of. I'm driving literally across Pennsylvania right now, from Philadelphia to Pittsburgh. It's not a not road trip. A lot of people that I know would consider a road trip being like a 2-hour trip. So yeah, this is definitely a road trip in my BRZ. I just wanted to like document this on my way to this area and record in some of my old spots that I used to record in when I was in school, because nostalgia, bro. I don't know, just something I want to do when I'm going to be up there. My girlfriend actually works like all day today, so I'm going to have some free time to do some editing and to record a little bit more, take some more pictures. Unfortunately, it's starting to rain now. I don't know if you can't really see it, but good thing I got that rain guard on, so hopefully that saves me from my engine drowning. And yeah, next time I record, I'll probably either be at a rest stop or there, because I have nothing really else to say. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Here we are at Sheetz because I gotta go in and take a sheet. Just gonna run in, go to the bathroom, take my number 3 combo, and then we'll work at the Willys, and then we'll be back on our way. So I'm having an issue with my side marker on my passenger side. So these ones I got from eBay, and for some reason now they're starting to like fall out. I think I might just need new clips for it, so I might just order new clips, because I think you can just do that. But if that's not the case, is there any side markers you guys recommend? I really, really like the dark look, and I really do like having the red LEDs in there. So if you guys could like find something with that sort of look, that'd be awesome. Or maybe I'll just order new clips for it. I haven't really decided yet. But done with my Sheetz run and done. That's their thing, I think. So I'm gonna go and head back on the road now. Shout out to this guy's Clean Focus ST. I wish you had an Instagram tag. I would totally follow you. So I like have this problem that every time I see a Tesla, like I can't help but like rev my engine really high and loud next to them because they can't do that, and I don't know, it makes me feel good about myself for some strange reason. It's one of those things they're like, oh, you're cool, you have a loud car, you're just gonna rev it everywhere. Well, yeah, I do that because it's fun and I like the sounds. But I especially do that next to Teslas because they're electric, and I don't know, they just can't do that. So it makes me want to do that. Well, I just made it and I gotta pee really bad again. So I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. We had no problems on the way here, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's now Sunday, and I got here on Friday, and I said I was gonna do all this recording and stuff, and I never did. I had a lot of plans I was actually gonna do this entire weekend while I was here, but I haven't seen my girlfriend in like a month, about maybe a little bit more. So I just kind of said, fuck it, I'm gonna put the camera down. All the plans I said I was gonna do, I kind of put off because I just want to spend some like time with her. So yeah, don't hate me on not taking pictures and shit. But yeah, got down here safe. Car made it from the videos you guys saw that I actually recorded. Yeah, I'm actually gonna be heading home now. I'm just walking back to my car. So I'm not really sure how much I'll actually record on the way home, just because it is like getting dark really quick already. Yeah, so I'm probably not really gonna record too much on the way home, unless I see something cool or I stop or something like that, because my tripod's already like packed away, so I'm not even using that right now. It's in my hand, you guys can tell. But yeah, but that was pretty much my modified car getting down here, which was good. I fucking made it. Yeah, I'm gonna update you guys when I get home, and then I'll probably end the video there. This video is probably gonna end up being like super duper crazy short, but you know, sometimes you gotta do sacrifices. I wanted to make some content for you guys. I didn't want to leave you guys without a video. I could have rushed the video, but I didn't really want to do that because that's just not good for like me, because then it's gonna become a habit for me. So yeah, this video is probably super duper short, and I apologize for that. But I'll be back here again in 2 weeks. So I'll probably end up recording a little bit more then, doing the stuff I actually wanted to do with my car while I'm up here. I'll let you guys know what goes on. But yeah, so next time I talk to you guys, I'll probably be in the car or at home. You know, we gotta stop at that Dunkin' to get my caffeine. But I parked next to this like Malibu. Now, if you can really see, he got like nice ass wheels on it, and like a really shitty tint job on his taillights. And I got next to this Camaro, the big old ducktail on it. It's gonna be a good Dunkin' trip, boys. I think it's funny, the Camaro just started next to me and I'm louder than the Camaro by a good amount. Gotta fill up on that gas because I got a quarter tank, and that's not enough to get me home. So gonna fill up some gas, and then we are heading out of here, and then I'll be home around like 11:30, I guess, because it's icy and I kind of want to be careful out here. Yeah, so I guess there was an ice storm on my way home or something, and all that white, you know, you'd think it's typically salt, but I'm on like a busy highway right now, and I'm not sure if you guys can see me. I'm on a busy highway right now, and it's just covered in ice, and I can't go past like 30 miles an hour, else I was like start sliding and shit. This drive home is gonna take me like, usually it was supposed to take me about 4 hours, I think 15 minutes to get home. That's what my GPS told me. And it's probably gonna take me like 6 hours or more now because the roads are really bad. And yeah, I try to gas it a little bit, my car really just slides out, so I really can't go faster than 30 miles an hour. This really sucks. So the roads are finally cleared up. I'm not really sure you guys can see me right now because it's pretty dark. Yeah, so something I've learned about driving a rear-wheel drive car with some performance tires on in the winter is it fucking sucks. Next winter, I'm definitely gonna make sure I have winter tires on this car. So just driving home, like there's been a solid like half inch of ice like on most of the roads that I've been on my way home, and I've been sliding a super crazy amount. This ride should have taken me 4 hours, and I'm still driving. I should have been home like within the next 2 hours, but I'm probably gonna be home around 12 now. I live at 6, which really sucks. Yeah, definitely driving this car in the winter is not the smartest option if you don't have winter tires on the car. I never had winter wheels. I've always driven front-wheel drive cars besides this car. So next winter, I'm definitely gonna make sure I have a pair of winter wheels, because this has been like pretty sketchy and scary this entire drive home. Well, that took me 5 hours and 45 minutes-ish to get home. I didn't stop once, so I gotta pee really bad right now. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm sorry if this video was like really short and boring and whatnot. Just, you know, I gave you the explanation of why I didn't really record this weekend. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your continued support. Thank you for, I'm not sure how many subscribers I'm gonna be at. Right now, I think I'm at like 163, which is amazing. So I'm gonna end you guys with my normal spiel. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, share, do all that fun shit. Every fun shit, all the fun shit. I'll catch you guys next time. Keep doing you. Peace.